Okay, guys, so man, we on the first job, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on real quick. You know, so this is the first job of the day today. You know, I don't know what they doing. I have no idea. But this is where we're at. You know what I'm saying? It's a hot day already out here in Texas. You know what I mean? But I don't know what the holdup is. I think I emptied probably like 8 or 9 yards, man, on that right there. And I probably got like another 2 up in this tank, you know what I mean, in my drum or whatever. So I'm waiting to see what they're gonna do with that. But we out here in the boonies. Look where we at, bro. I don't even know where we at. Look, I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of scared walking back here, bro. I mean, driving back here. I'm like, bro, where we at? You know what I mean? I don't know what they could be building back here, but you know, that's just what it is in Texas, man. Shit like some shit off a scary movie or something. Look at this long ass trail, bro. I wonder what's back there. But I bet y'all know. I bet y'all know who ain't going back there to go see. Yeah, not this guy. Yes, sir. It's been a chill day so far, man. Out here, say driving for another company now and everything like that. You know, so it's a little bit different. You know, as far as like certain things that we have to do, it's a little bit different. I'm so used to kind of doing everything, so over here they kind of do a lot of stuff for you. You know, which is a good thing. You know, it's not always a bad thing, but I'm just ready to be over with for the day because it's hot, bro. It's hot. But we don't do nothing. Like I said, man, really, when driving these mixers, man, really ain't much to it. Get out, drive to the spot, unload, and go back to the yard. You know what I mean? Simple stuff. I can't lie, he got that mud like a nice knot. Look, killing it. Guess that's how they smoothing it out, man. Yeah, so buddy asked me to move my truck because he got a tank, a pump coming in. So I moved it. I'm sitting here now, just waiting. I kind of just want to show you guys the jobs now. You know, like I said, we in this wooded area and shit look crazy, man. Look hella crazy. But I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, man, so I just got done pouring out. They brought a pump over. And now I'm about to go ahead and clean the back of my my chute off because I'm done. You know what I'm saying? So got my little water hose right here. You know what I mean? And just about to clean this bad boy down real quick and shit, we about to dip. Oh man, I'm ready to go though. I'm tired. I ain't really tired. Man, I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm just, you know, it feel like it's already been a long day, but it hasn't. You know what I mean? But yeah, this all it is to it, man. This is what it's been. You know what I'm saying? I'm reversing my damn drum. I gotta put my drum back in the goddamn on forward mode, man. All right. Yeah, you take your time, do what you want to do. It's up to you. And we'll talk too, man. We're gonna talk about why I'm doing the whole cement side of the whole thing, concrete side of the whole thing, or the CDL thing, or whatever. I mean, cause you can really have a Class B and drive this here. But for me, hell, I don't even know. I ain't even got the answer, Sway. I ain't got the answers, baby. But guess what? I'ma do it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I ain't got the answers, bro. But the money's still good for me. You know what I mean? That's what I mean. It's all on how you value money, in my opinion, and how you can handle jobs. You know what I'm saying? Like stress-wise. You know, with this company, man, it's too laid back type shit, you know what I mean? And like I say, they doing everything for you. Don't have no dang on camera in your truck. You know what I mean? Like, You could be on your phone if you wanted to, you know, but you know, that's to each their own. I'm all for being a responsible driver, you know what I mean? So, in my opinion, the phone could be a distraction, depending on if you own it or not, you know what I'm saying? But I'm so used to doing things the way I was doing them at that other job that, you know, it's a lot of things that's kind of like being instilled in me. But that's it, bro. Look, I'm done. Now I'm headed back to the yard. See y'all guys in a minute, man. Okay, man. So I'm back at the yard. You know what I mean? A couple trucks around here right now, and I'm getting loaded again. So I got another load instant right out the gate. So loading real fast, and we're about to go drop this next load off. Bro. I gotta fill my tank up with water, and yeah, about to be there, bro. Okay, bro, so I'm just putting up on my second job on this down one way. Man, hey, hey, my last job used to hate that shit when you got some stuff like that. But I'm on this one way, man. I guess they're laying a little slab right here, building a little driveway type shit. You know what I'm saying? Touching this damn thing, man. in, I can't play music. Some water on this mud because I ain't even put no water on here since I left. Come on, boy, ugly. Come on, man, goddamn, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna put some water on it real quick. So look, man, they almost done, man. It's almost over, bro. I don't know how many more yards I got left in my tank, but I'm just sitting here waiting till they ready to go load again. Yeah, man. So we just got done with that. You know what I mean? Job finished, job complete for me. You know what I'm saying? It is. So yeah, I cleaned my suits. Now it's back to the fucking plant, man. Okay, man, so we pulling up on our third load right now, man. So this house pretty nice though, man. They got some big old houses over here, bro, that had like some crazy ass like architectural shit going on, but it's like a little pond or something. And I don't know what they built there, but we gonna see. So let me get out. Just give me a second, man, so I can see what's going on. So yeah, this the job. I guess they just, I don't know, laying some stuff down, as you can see. But I gotta get my shoe. I only want one shoe. So these shoes on the side of this truck, man. So like I say, yeah, put the suit on, and now it's time to do work. Hold on. Back. So yeah, now I got a bag in there. Ah! Ah! That's how it feels every time I get back in this damn truck. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see this cat, but I gotta go forward first. I can see him. Okay, now I'm coming in. looking at them in this mirror. I'm coming straight back. Straight back. Come on, boy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm gonna just sit in this truck. Got somebody else got it. Down goes the chute. Down goes straight. Now I'm unloading. Yeah, man, so I just wanted to show y'all I'm reversing the drum right now. He's just emptying it out. So this is the last job. He actually, I think I only had like 2 yards to go around. But I'm done, so he just wanted me to dump everything I got. So I'm gonna give him his receipt. Oh, damn, I hit my elbow. Oh my God. Oh, my bad, man. So, job was a success. You know, I hold this little pack right now. That was about it. That was like 1 yard work. And that's it, man. What's this? Loading up a 3 down and headed back to the yard. Hey, man, so I just pulled back up to the yard, bro. And guess what? Man, it's time to go. You know what I'm saying? Got my 3 yards for the day. And it's time to go home. You know what I'm saying? I said 3 yards. I'm tripping. 3 loads for the day. Now it's time to go. Like, I don't know, bro. I just chose the concrete side, you know. Maybe I'll do the 18-wheeler side one day. I don't know. I haven't really decided what I really want to do. What kind of lane, what lane I really wanted to go. I know I wanted to start my own company eventually, but I don't know, bro. I'm just going wherever the wind blows me. And now I'm able to record. I get to be able to show you guys what's going on in the daily with me, especially over here. Don't know how long, but you know, only time will tell. And catch you guys in the next video.